let's go back in time and look at every Ballon d'Or winner from 1989 all the way to 2025. Before we start, please subscribe if you love football history. It helps the channel grow and keeps me making more videos like this. 1989. Marco van Basten from the Netherlands won with AC Milan after leading them to European glory with his incredible finishing. 1990. Lothar Matthäus, Inter Milan and Germany's World Cup hero. 1991. Jean-Pierre Papin carried Marseille with his powerful strikes. 1992, Marco van Basten again, proving his dominance in Europe. 1993, Roberto Baggio, Juventus's magician, known for his vision and control. 1994, Christos Stoichkov, Barcelona's star under Johan Cruyff. 1995, George Weah, the first and only African player to ever win the Ballon d'Or. 1996, Matthias Sammer, a rare defender to win after leading Dortmund to success. 1997, Ronaldo Nazario at Inter Milan, a 21-year-old phenomenon. 1998, Zinedine Zidane, Juventus in France, after winning the World Cup. 1999, Rivaldo, Barcelona's Brazilian maestro with insane flair and goals. 2000, Luis Figo, after switching from Barcelona to Real Madrid, a move that shocked the football world. 2001, Michael Owen, Liverpool's lightning-fast striker. 2002, Ronaldo again, after a stunning World Cup comeback with Brazil. 2003, Pavel Nedved, Juventus's hard-working playmaker from the Czech Republic. 2004, Andriy Shevchenko, AC Milan's unstoppable Ukrainian forward. 2005, Ronaldinho, the smiling genius who made football pure joy again. 2006, Fabio Cannavaro, leading Italy to World Cup victory as captain. 2007, Kaká, the last player to win before Messi and Ronaldo's era began. 2008, Cristiano Ronaldo, Manchester United superstar after his Champions League triumph. 2009, Lionel Messi, starting his incredible run with Barcelona. 2010 to 2012, Messi again and again, dominating football completely. 2013 and 2014, Cristiano Ronaldo struck back with Real Madrid. 2015, Messi reclaimed it with another magical season. 2016 and 2017, Ronaldo again, leading Madrid to back-to-back Champions Leagues. 2018, Luka Modric broke the streak after guiding Croatia to the World Cup final. 2019, Messi again, proving his longevity. Oh, it's why no award due to the pandemic. 2021, Messi won again, this time with PSG. 2022, Karim Benzema finally got his Ballon d'Or after a dream season with Real Madrid. 2023, Messi once more after winning the World Cup with Argentina. 2024, Rodri, Manchester City's midfield engine in their treble-winning year. And 2025, Ousmane Dembélé for his amazing comeback season with PSG. What a list of legends. From Van Basten to Dembélé, each one leaving a mark in football history. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more football stories, salary breakdowns, and quiz videos. And tell me in the comments, who do you think deserved the next Ballon d'Or?